Yo, you hear that? You hear that? That's Jennifer snoring. Yes, Jennifer. Look. Ready? I wasn't kidding. Here it is.
Hey, Dirty, what? Look at that girl right there. She make me say, ooh, yeah, hey, do what you do. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Lick your lips when you're talking, that make me stir, make me stir. I like the way you look in them pants, yeah, you're fine. Lil' mama a quarter piece, she far from a dime. The type of girl that'll get you up and go make you grind.
Watch. This is how you get your stuff snoring. Take your hand, shake it. There, that works. I don't want to suffocate you. That's why I can't sleep. Okay.
You are watching a master at work.